Drinking a glass of this healthy juice helps to transform your entire body system and your health status. A very warm welcome to the channel. I'm Yummy Cash. If today is the first time here, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. The first thing to do is to thoroughly wash your spinach in water, and I am using some baby spinach. Feel free to use any type of spinach that you want. So in a bowl, I put the quantity of spinach that I want to use and then add some water to it. The next thing is to give it a very good wash. Once I'm done with the washing, I'm going to put them in a blender, add some water to it, and then blend it nicely. So the quantity of water you add depends on how light or how thick you want your juice to look like. So I would advise you add the water in small quantities so that you get enough nutrients from the spinach. Also, I'm using a hand blender, but you can use a normal blender to blend your spinach nicely. Now that I'm done with the first blending, I'll pour it into a bowl and continue blending the rest of the spinach. So whilst we are blending the rest of the spinach, let's take a look at the health benefits of spinach. The high content of iron in spinach helps to prevent anemia. So if you're an anemic patient or person, then it is advisable to start drinking spinach juice. Also, if you're having a thinning hairline or an itchy scalp, consider consuming a glass of healthy spinach juice daily. Now I would like to add in some mint leaves. So I take the leaves out from the stem and give it a very good wash. Now why am I adding in some mint leaves too? It helps with allergies and also gives you acne-free skin. And the most important thing also is it boosts your immune system. Now I will add in some water and add in some ginger. One important reason why I'm adding in some ginger is that it helps release nausea and also upset stomachs. And I really love gingers in my smoothies, my drinks, Once I'm done with the blending, I add it to the spinach juice and time to add in some lemon juice. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which helps your body make collagen for your skin. And also it helps your body absorb iron. The spinach juice contains iron, so I need the lemon juice to help absorb the iron from the spinach juice. So I'll start adding in the lemon juice. And the most important thing about this juice is it helps in weight loss. Trust me, I've been taking it for 3 days now and I can see massive improvement, especially when it comes to my abdomen area. Now I'm going to strain it and I'm using a double strainer method. If today is the first time here, a very warm welcome once again to you. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not. Like this video and share it out there. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. Without you, thank you very much. And do you know that spinach juice helps in bleeding gums? Oh yes, because it is loaded with vitamin E. So imagine all the vitamins, the nutrients your body will be absorbing when you take in this juice. Let me chip this in. It helps prevent serious defects of the spine and brains when you get pregnant because it is busted with folic acid. So when you are pregnant, try as much as possible to be taking in spinach. This is where we draw the curtains. You can sometimes add in honey or drink it just like that. I hope you did find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also you share it to your timeline. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Choose.